session we have discussed about matrices. In this session we will discuss about determinants. What is a determinant? First thing is that you in earlier sessions you came to know matrix is an arrangement of element in two-dimensional array. It means matrix doesn't have any value itself, it is nothing but an arrangement. But determinant, obviously it has a value. How determinant comes into the picture? Determinant is a square matrix which is denoted by, say, if A is a matrix, then the determinant of that particular square matrix, A is a square matrix. First, the precondition of being a determinant, it will have to be a square matrix. If it is a rectangular matrix, there is no determinant of that matrix itself. If it is a square matrix, we can have a determinant of this matrix and which is denoted by A. That is like mod A, it is not mod A, it is the sign of the determinant of A. And I just told you determinant has a value. Each and every determinant has a value. So how you will find out the value of a determinant? First thing is that for you, that is in class 12, CBSE class 12, you need to work out on the determinant 2 by 2 determinant and 3 by 3 determinant. Obviously it will be a square matrix, so it will not go beyond 3 by 3. It will be 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. What is the value of a 2 by 2 determinant? The value of 2 by 2 determinant, it is very easy. It is denoted by determinant A, say A11, A12, A21, A22 or 4 elements of this determinant. It is the order of 2 by 2 determinant. It will be A11, A22 and A21, A12 minus. That will be the value. That is the like cross multiplication itself. First row, first column and second row, second column minus first row, second column into second row, first column. That is the value of the determinant of 2 by 2 matrices, 2 by 2 determinant. Now, what is the value of a 3 by 3 determinant? It is a 3 by 3 determinant, this particular, it is a 3 by 3 determinant. What is the value of that particular determinant? First thing is that we will have to take a particular row or a particular column for finding out the value of the determinant. In this case, I am taking the first row elements of. That is the first row elements. What are the first row elements? A11, A12, A13. What is the value of that particular determinant? If we consider the first row element and if we find the value of the determinant based on the first row elements, again if we take the second row element or if we take the third row element, if we take the first column element, second column element or third column element, the value of the determinant will be same. There would be no change in the value. So that is why for simplification I am taking or I am finding out the value of the determinant based on the first row of the determinant. First row, what is the first element? That is first row, first column, A11. Now the number of, that is for first element, number of rows is 1, number of column is 1. So first minus 1 whole to the power that is number of rows and number of columns of the elements. For first element, that is A11, it will be first row and first column. So that is why the number of that is the row number and column number of that element is 1 plus 1. That will be, and after then you just suppress the row and column which contains that element itself. That is these element. It is first row and first column. Eliminate first row and first column. What we are getting? We getting a 2 by 2 determinant, that is A22, A23, A32, A33. We know the value of a 2 by 2 determinant, that is in just earlier I have told you, it will be simple cross multiplication, A11, A22, A21, A22. So for this particular determinant it would be A22, A33, A22, A33 minus A32 into A23. That will be first component. What would be the second element? Second element, it is A12. What is the number of rows and what is the row number and column number? It is the first row and second column. Since it is first row and second column, so it means minus 1 whole to the power 1 plus 2. That is, row is 1 and column is 2 into A12. For second element A12, it will be the, what is the row number and column number? 1 is the row number and 2 is the column number. Since 1 is the row number and 2 is the column number, then it will be minus 1 whole to the power 1 plus 2 into A12. Now, which determinant we will take? Just view that particular blue dotted line. We are eliminating the first row and second column. What we are getting? What are we getting? A21, A33 and A31, A23. That will be the determinant, that is 2 by 2 determinant, and the value of 2 by 2 determinant is this. Now, for third element, that is A13, what is the row number? Row number is 1 and column number is 3. Just see the red dotted line. Row number is 1, column number is 3. So we will eliminate first row and third column. So what would be the determinant, remaining determinant? It would be A21, A22, A31, A32. So what would be the value? A21, A32, A31, A22. And what would be the sign of this particular? Minus 1 whole to the power 1 plus 3, since the row number is 1 and column number is 3. I think up to this it is clear. Just simplification, the second one will be negative and remaining 2 will be positive, since it is the minus 1 square, it is also positive, and minus 1 whole to the power 4, it is also positive. It is minus 1 whole to the power 3, so that is why it will be negative. The value of that particular determinant is this. Now I am just giving an example of this with numeric value. I think up to this it is clear. Say I am taking a numeric value of a determinant, say determinant A equal to, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What will be the value? Value first minus 1 whole to the power 1 plus 1 into 1 into 5 into 9 minus 6 into 8 plus minus 1 whole to the power 1 plus 2 into 2 into, it will be this, that is 4 into 9 and 4 into 9 and 7 into minus 7 into 6. What would be the third? That is minus 1 whole to the power 1 plus 3 into 3 into 4 into 8 minus 5 into 7 equal to 5 9 45, 45 minus 48, that is minus 3. It will be minus 3, it will be 4 9 36, 7 6 42, so 2, that is minus 6 minus of minus 6, and here it will be 32, 35, that is minus 3. 32 minus 35 minus 3. So equal to minus 3 plus 6 minus 3 equal to 0, the value of the determinant. I think up to this it is clear to you. Thank you. I will be giving some home tasks on this particular. Up to this, that is the determinant, value of the determinant. Okay, thank you.